Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a contact form to your Webflow website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First of all, let's go to Elfsight and choose the contact form widget in the menu list. The link is in the description. Click Create Widget. So let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your case best. Click Continue with this template. Add, edit, and customize form fields to collect the exact information you need from your website visitors. Set up email notifications for new submissions and customize the messages sent to you and your respondents. Adjust the form's width, choose its display style inline or floating, and set the layout of fields vertical or horizontal. Customize the colors, fonts, and overall look of your contact form to perfectly match your website's design. Manage submissions, customize success messages, set up spam protection, adjust language, and integrate with other services. Connect your form to MailChimp, Google Sheets, or Zapier to automate data collection and streamline your workflow. Click Add to Website to get the embed code to your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. This is free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget that you have just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Webflow admin panel. Paste the Elfsight widget code into your Webflow website's embed element. Now let's add the widget to your Webflow website. Log in to your Webflow account and open the editor for your website. Click the plus symbol icon in the Webflow Designer. Drag and drop the embed element to the place where you want the widget to appear. Paste your Elfsight installation code into the Embed Code Editor window, then click Save and Close. When ready, click Publish and select Publish to selected domains to make the changes live. That's it. Your Form Builder widget is now live on your Webflow website. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.